In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub and Figma using make.com. By the end of this, you'll be able to automate the way these two powerful tools interact, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's get started by setting up Figma as our trigger. First, you'll need to log into your make.com account. Once you're in, you'll notice a large plus sign prominently on your dashboard. Go ahead and click that. In the search bar that appears, type in Figma. You're offered several trigger options here, such as Watch File Updates or Watch File Comments. These options determine the events in Figma that will trigger a subsequent action in GitHub. Carefully choose the one that best fits your needs. Maybe you're interested in file comments being updated or any file updates in general. Pick the trigger that aligns with how you want Figma to interact with GitHub. Once you've decided, you'll see an option to Create Connection. Click that and ensure your Figma account is properly linked. Take a moment to confirm everything is set correctly before moving on. Now it's time to add GitHub as the action. This is where we'll define what happens in GitHub whenever your chosen Figma trigger is activated. Again, find the plus sign or an Add Module button to proceed. In the search function, type GitHub and press Enter. Here you'll see various actions you can set up for GitHub. You could choose to create an issue, create a comment, add labels, or even update an issue. Consider carefully what action will be most useful. For instance, if you're collaborating with a team, creating an issue might help everyone keep track of tasks. Once you've decided, select your preferred action. Before moving forward, you'll need to connect your GitHub account. This step is crucial as it authorizes the necessary access to your repositories. When you select this option, a window will pop up, prompting you to log into your GitHub account. Follow the prompts to authorize repository access. This is a security measure that makes sure everything's secure on both ends and that you have the permission to make these changes. Once everything is connected and authorized, take a moment to review your setup. Check to ensure the trigger and action are accurately configured. You might want to test the process by making a small change in Figma or GitHub to see if your automation works as expected. And there you go. You've now successfully connected GitHub to Figma using make.com. This integration can significantly streamline your workflow, saving you time and helping you focus on what truly matters: creative collaboration and efficient project management. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.